हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स सन्डे एकेडमी आपको स्वागत। आज आम देखा आरआरबी एनटीपीसी आरआरबी ग्रुप डी आरपी पीएसआई एलपी टेक्नीशियन कॉन्स्टेबल जेकोसी रेलवे एग्जाम आसो तार स्टार्टिंग जीके आउ जीके जो स्पेशल आम रखी जो आम देखा आज ज्योग्राफी पार्ट 11। ओके चलो स्टार्ट करवा लेट करवानी। क्वेश्चन हूँ वन एमसीक्यू Which one of the following countries has the longest international boundary with India? Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Pakistan. Answer आपणकर Bangladesh. Bangladesh has the longest boundary with India. The length of the border is 4096.7 km. It is the fifth longest land border in the world. Question number 2. Which one of the following places in India have cooler climate even during summers? Ranikhet, Nainital, Mussoorie, all of these. Answer आपणकर D, all of these. बुझिपाइले रानीखेत नैनीताल and Mussoorie following places in India have cooler climate even during summers. Question number 3. The largest southernmost single island in India is Rameswaram Island, Minicoy Island, Car Nicobar Island, Great Nicobar Island. Answer आपणकर D, Great Nicobar Island. Great Nicobar Island is the southernmost and largest of the Nicobar Island of India, which is situated north of the Sumatra. Question number 4. Generally, in which month most of the rivers of Odisha get flooded? January, March, July, or December? Answer of आपणकर C, July. Coastal areas are at greater risk for flooding during the hurricane season, that is June to November, while the Midwest is more at risk in the spring and during the heavy summer rains. Ice jams occur in the spring in the northeast and northwest. Question number 5. In which state has the longest network of national highway in India? UP, MP, Delhi, or Rajasthan? Answer आपणकर UP. Uttar Pradesh has the longest network of national highways in India, which with NH44 running between Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir and Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, covering a distance of 3806 km. Only three other states, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat, have a route length of more than 5000 km. Question number 6. The winter rain in Chennai is caused by southwestern monsoon, northeast monsoon, latent land and sea breezes, cyclone winds, and in the Bay of Bengal. One of 11 answer आपणकर B. Okay, northeast monsoon haba. Explanation कौची. The winter rain in Chennai is caused by the northeast monsoon. The Tamil Nadu received the winter rainfall because of the northeast monsoon winds, also called the retreating monsoon. They pass over the Bay of the Bengal and collect the moisture on their way, and when they reach the Tamil Nadu coast, they cause rainfall there. Question number 7. The thermal power plant of Bokaro is located in Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha. Answer आपणकर C, Jharkhand. Bokaro thermal power plant NTPCRRB is located at the Bokaro district in Jharkhand, 44 km from the Bokaro steel city and 55 from the Dhanbad city. The nearest railway station is Bokaro Thermal. The power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of the DBC. Question number 8. Which of the following river is not a part of the Ganga river system? Dhanasri, Hindan, Son, Mandakini. Answer आपणकर Dhanasri. The Dhanasri is a tributary of the Brahmaputra river. Hindon is a tributary of Yamuna. The Son river is the second largest southern tributary of the Ganges after the Yamuna river. The Mandakini river is a tributary of the Alkananda river in the Uttarakhand. Okay. Question number 9. Which type of forest is appropriate for the sandalwood trees? Sandalwood tree ପାଇଁ କୋଉଟା କୋଉଟା appropriate? Evergreen, tundra, desert or tropical deciduous? Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର D, tropical deciduous. Tropical deciduous forest sandalwood grow in the tropical deciduous forest. Okay. Question number 10. Which one of the following does not lie in the Maharashtra? बालागढ़ रेंज, हरिश्चंद्र रेंज, मांडव हिल्स और सत्तमाला हिल्स। कौन पे आंसर सब आप सी मांडव हिल्स। मांडव हिल्स अवेलेबल इन मध्य प्रदेश स्टेट, सो रेस्ट ऑल हिल्स आर फाउंड इन महाराष्ट्र स्टेट। ओके पिलामाने ये होची सनडे एकेडमी आ आपण माने देखुछन सनडे एकेडमी यूट्यूब चैनल। एठी गोटे क्यूआर कोड दिया छै, आपण माने एटा को स्कैन कले निश्चित भाव में आपण जो चैनल रे आपण चैनल आपण आसीबे से चैनल रे आपण माने ए सब पीडीएफ पीपीटी रो पीडीएफ गुडा पाई जिवे हला। आउट अनाउंसमेंट होची स्मार्ट ओएस मॉक टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशन बैच अमाउंट आरंभ होची, जोटा की प्राइस होची 699। आपण माने एडमिशन इंक्वायरी कॉल करी के बुझी परिबे। आशा ओपीएससी एस 2025 फाउंडेशन बैच भी स्टार्ट होची। आपनकर एडमिशन पे आपण नंबर देथिबा एटा कांटेक्ट करबे। खुशी एस मॉक टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशन बैच भी स्टार्ट होची। आपनकर 399 रे आपण एडमिशन इंक्वायरी रे कॉल करी जानि परिबे। ता सहित ओडिशा फाउंडेशन बैच स्टार्ट होची। आपण मनकर ओपीएससी ओएसएससी ओटीपीएससी एसएससी रेलवे प्रिपरेशन करछंती आ आपनको टारगेट अछि गोटे भी एग्जाम बचेबा पे निश्चित भाबे ओडिशा फाउंडेशन बैच नियंतो, जोथरे कि आपनको मैथ रीजनिंग आपनकर इंग्लिश आ जनरल अवेयरनेस जनरल नॉलेज पढ़ाबो। आपनको बहुत कम प्राइस होची। आपनको 999 रे रहउची आपनको बैच टा पूरा लाइब्रेरी जदी जॉइन कर जाउछन आपण 499 रे जॉइन कर दिबे। ओके तापर आसला आपनकर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन प्रोडक्ट टू हैव गॉट द प्रोटेक्टेड ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेटर, जोटा कि जीआई टैग कोच। इंडियन रबर, बासमती राइस, मलाबार कॉफी, दार्जिलिंग टी। आंसर आपनकर डी दार्जिलिंग टी। Question number 12. Earthquake are caused by denudation, tectonism, earth revolution, earth rotation. Answer आपनकर B tectonism. Tectonism is the faulting or folding or other deformation of the outer layer of a planet. It is very slow process, takes millions of years. Tectonic plate moves slowly, but this can cause a lot of deformation at the plate boundaries. This deformation can lead to earthquakes. आपण रिसेंटली देखिथिबे कोड कोन earthquake हेछि ताको कोन डापारे बुझ पकेबे। Question number 13. What is mainly found at the Jharia in Jharkhand? Iron, coal, gold और जोट आंसर आपनकर हबो बी coal. Okay. Jharia coal mines is established to have been nearly 80 underground fires in the years since 1916. Okay. Question number 14. Koringa is a beautiful dash forest where the Godavari join the blackwater of the Bay of Bengal. Evergreen, carnivorous, mangrove or deciduous. Answer आपनकर सी mangrove. Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is a wildlife sanctuary and estuary situated in the Andhra Pradesh. It is the second largest scale of the mangrove forest with 24 mangrove tree species and more than 120 bird species. It is home to the critically endangered white-backed vulture and the long-billed vulture. Okay. Question number 15. The basic region of winter rainfall in northwestern part of India is southwest monsoon, trade wind, retreating monsoon, western disturbance. So, western disturbance. Western disturbance causes rainfall during the winter in the northwestern part of India. This is the pattern driven by the westerls. Western disturbances are important to development of the rabi crop in the northern subcontinent, which includes locally important staple wheat. Question number 16. Palgad join which of the following states? Sikkim and West Bengal, Maharashtra and Gujarat, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim. Answer आपनकर C Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Palakkad Gap or Palgad Gap is a low mountain pass in the western Ghat between Coimbatore and the Indian state Tamil Nadu and Palakkad state of the Kerala. Okay. Question number 17. Which among the following countries is the largest tree producing country? Bangladesh, China, Japan, Scotland. Answer आपनकर B China. China top in the chart are the spiritual home at the humble Kupa, producing 68% of the world tea, weighing at just over 2 million tons, with the majority grown in the provinces of Yana, Guangdong, and Zhejiang. Okay. Question number 18. The highest peak in the Andaman Island is Saddle Peak, Daibol Peak, Car Nicobar, or none of the answer. ଆପଣଙ୍କର A Saddle Peak. Saddle Peak is 732 meters in the highest point of the Andaman Island. Question number 19. An important river of the Indian island is Luni, Narmada, Tapti, or Jhelum. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର A Luni. The river Luni is the only natural water resource that drains inside a lake in the desert. It originates in the Pushkar Valley of the Aravalli Range near Ajmer and ends in the marshy land of the Rann of Kutch in the Gujarat after traveling a distance of 530 kilometers. By what name is India's eastern coast known? Coromandel Coast, Bay of Bengal, Eastern Ghat Coast, Kolkata Chennai Coast. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର Coromandel Coast. The northern part of the eastern coast is referred as northern Sirkar, while the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. The Coromandel Coast is the southeastern coastal region of the Indian subcontinent, while the northern Sirsar are a narrow slip of the territory lying along the western side of the Bay of Bengal. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆପଣ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଏକାଡେମୀ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଏକାଡେମୀର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୟୁଆର୍ କୋଡ଼୍ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବେ ତାକୁ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ରେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କରନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ପିଡିଏଫ୍ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ପାଇବେ ଆମର ଓଏସ୍ ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ଯାହାର ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଆପଣ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ 699 ରୁପିଜ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପଡ଼ୁଛି ଆପଣ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିପାରିବେ ଆଶା OPSC ESO 2025 ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ରହୁଛି ଆଉ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ପାଇଁ କଲ୍ କରିପାରିବେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରମ୍ପ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ତାହେଲେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ESO ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଜଏନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ 399 ପଡ଼ୁଛି ତାର ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଖୁସି ଆପଣ ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ଇନକ୍ୱାରିରେ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ରେ କହିଦେବେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଗୋଟେ ରହିଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି OPSC OSSC OSSC SSC ରେଲୱେଜ୍ର ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫୁଲ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବି ଦିଆଯିବ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ରହିଛି 999 ଆଉ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଯଦି ଆକ୍ସେସ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି 499 ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ଅଛି ହେଲା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 8 ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜି ଦେଖିବା identifying the planet whose length of the day and the tilt of its axis is almost identical to those of the earth. Uranus, Neptune, Saturn and Mars. आंसर आपण मैंने निश्चित कमेंट सेक्शन दिंतु आंसर देला परे आपण जदि आंसर ठीक देते निश्चित भाव आमठू गोटे स्माइली सिंबल हार्ट स्माइली सिंबल पाइबे आउ सेठू आप जानिबे आपण आंसर ठीक अच्छे नहीं आउ पिला माने क्लास टे केन लागला निश्चित भाव आपण मतामत कमेंट सेक्शन जणाइबे किसी डाउट ले कमेंट सेक्शन पचारि परिबे आउ आपण माने निश्चित भाव वीडियो टी को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिवे ओके थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग थैंक यू सो मच